Congratulations! You have made a smart choice to invest into AppointBee. Harshal this side with Nakul, and I would like to welcome you to AppointBee family. In minutes from now, you will be able to create money-making appointment systems for local owners who are ready to pay you big bucks in return. However, the real challenge is how to quickly find business owners that desperately need your help. There are a few ways to do it. Search on Google, send out cold emails or cold calling to the biz owners who never wanted your services. I call this the hard way. What if I told you there is a much easier way to find dream clients who need your help with their booking systems and are ready and waiting to pay you more money today? Imagine you could push a button and instantly reach out to thousands of these clients tonight. That is what AppointBee leads do for you. So you can quickly get paid without cold calling, advertising, networking, or competing against hundreds of other consultants. Step 1. Search. Enter a keyword and location to instantly uncover thousands of local business owners who desperately need your help with their booking systems. Step 2. Contact. Click a button to instantly email each client, showing them how they could double their appointment bookings overnight, along with an offer for your services. That is it. Within seconds, you can find clients who need your help and are ready to pay you big bucks. Upgrade to AppointBee Leads today, and you will be able to search prospects by keywords to find specific business. You want to target search by location? To target clients in specific areas, filter results for more hot leads. See which local base owner need your help with their booking systems. And there is even more. If you upgrade right now, you're also getting complete done for your PowerPoint presentation to sell your AppointBee services. Use this ready presentation to effortlessly sell your service to clients, even if you hate selling and don't know what to say. Plus, you also get done for your email templates that will have potential clients drooling at the mouths to hire you. Using smart copywriting tactics, influence triggers that practically force them to open, read, and respond to your email with a yes. But do not wait. This is your only chance to unlock the AppointBee Lead software at this incredibly low price. Before this entire offer gets taken down, upgrade your order now to unlock all these powerful features and get ready to grow your agency and your income faster than ever before. See you inside the membership.